Hey everyone, I'm Christy and I take cold plunges every day. Today I'm taking my 175th cold plunge of the year. It is hot outside, my water is at 42.9. I just unplugged everything. I take cold plunges in this chest freezer. I'm gonna open it up, check it out, and get on in. Let's do it. It's already almost time for a water change again. Woo! 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 Wow. We're in. Woo! Woo! You're not in frame. You're not in the frame. Woo! It's cold. Hey, you got some crispy bacon. No, I don't want that. I have this. I don't want bacon. I don't want it. That looks weird. You should hold it closer to the lens. Crunchy, wow. Sit down and take a drink of my matcha.
You plug it back in?
What?
You plug it back in?
No!
Could be an electrifying experience.
It already is. Woo! Woo! It is a cold one for day 175, cold plunge 175. Feels like a milestone number, right? I think it is. I appreciate you watching. It is my commitment to take cold plunges every single day in 2024. So far, so good. I did have a miss when I was sick and feverish and decided to not take a cold plunge that day, but then I made it up. So we are square, and in my book, that's great. I had 2 cold plunges in one day. I earned being caught up. All right, that's gonna do it for me for today. I am gonna get out of here, get warmed up, and continue with my evening. I will see you tomorrow for the next cold plunge. Bye.